Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso from Down Under. I've been a tiler for 35 years and this is what I'm up to now. I'm just about to lay these tiles. I'm dragging the screed back with my two runners either side. What I do now, what I'm going to be using is a smaller notchy. I said the other day that I mainly use a 12mm notchy. This is a very thin tile, so I recommend a smaller notch. And what I'm going to use, I might use an 8, but I'll see. Because with a thinner tile, if you're using too big a notch trowel, you glue, unless your glue is stiffer, you'll get it up in your between your joints. I recommend a 6. I've got to tap them into place. Got to tap it into place here. You like that? I do. I love wet bedding like this. You've got no dust to contend with. And when it dries, you glue to your mud. The bond is so brilliant. That's just one I prepared earlier. Right, where's my rubber hammer? Right there. And this is so cool too. Usually when you're doing a bathroom, you're inside, but doing a laundry like this, and I can spread out. I don't have to be super clean. You know, I can be a bit messy out here, and because it's outside.